Hello viewers and welcome to my channel once again. And today I am here with one more tempting recipe, that is Tirunelveli style special mutton kurma. Different people make mutton kurma in different and in their own style. But this kurma require a special masala which I have given in the description box. And with this unique preparation, let's start making this extraordinary mutton kurma in Tirunelveli style. 250 grams of mutton nicely cleaned and washed, 2 medium sized onion chopped, 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped, 2 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of refined oil to a pressure cooker. Adding garam masala, whole garam masala like cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Now let's add our chopped onion. Let's saute the onion until it turns golden brown. Let's add little salt so that the process of browning the onion become little fast. Now you can see that the onion are turning little transparent. Let's add green chili at this point. Let's add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's saute the ginger garlic paste for some time, for around 2 minutes in low flame. Now let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's saute until the tomatoes become little soft. Now this is the time to add our mutton. I have used mutton with bones because usually in korma people prefer mutton with bones instead of boneless. Now adding little turmeric powder and half a spoon of red chili powder and 3 full tablespoons of our Korma Masala. This is Tirunelveli Korma Masala, which I have mentioned in description. You can go and check my description for this masala. This is very easy and you can even prepare this masala at home. Now let's cook the mutton in low flame for some time along with all these masalas. Now let's add some water and cover the pressure cooker lid and allow the mutton to cook for 4 to 5 whistles. By the time our mutton is cooking, let's prepare our coconut milk. Around half a coconut I have chopped and added to a mixer jar. Let's add some water and grind it very smoothly. Let's take the thick coconut milk out of it. Let's add some more water and let's grind it again and again. Let's take the whole extract from the coconut. Like this 3 times I have done and taken the extract out of it. Let's check our mutton now. 5 whistles are over and the mutton is very well cooked. You can see how beautiful the gravy has turned out and the mutton is also very well cooked. At this point, let's add our thick extract of coconut or coconut milk which we have taken just now from half a coconut. This quantity will be sufficient for 5 to 6 members. Now our korma is cooking in low flame. Let's cook for 5 more minutes in low flame. Let's add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Let's cover and cook it further for 5 minutes in low flame. Now the korma is oozing out the oil on the surface, as you can see, and it is absolutely ready now. This korma will not be thick like North Indian. The consistency of this kurma will be moderate, not much thick and not much thin. Mostly in Tirunelveli side, this korma will be enjoyed with idli and dosa and idiyappam. You can even enjoy this with plain rice or chapati. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon in my next video with one more interesting recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.